Can an LLC have 401k? Yes, an LLC can set up a 401k plan for its owners and employees. Offering a 401k is a great way to save for retirement while also reducing taxable income. If the LLC has employees, it can establish a traditional 401k plan that allows both the business and employees to contribute. If the LLC is a single member or has only the owners involved, it can set up a solo 401k, which allows higher contribution limits since the owner acts as both employer and employee. The exact setup depends on how the LLC is taxed. Contributions are deductible for the business, and earnings in the 401k grow tax deferred until withdrawal. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and guide you toward benefits like setting up retirement plans for yourself and your team. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.